Hello, welcome to Pickled Onions. Today I am not making pickled onions, I am making pickles. So Indian food is pretty much incomplete without our achar. But the stuff you get in the store really does no service to anyone, not your taste buds, not your gut, nothing. So how do we make it work? It's a fermented food, it's really good for you, but it needs to be done right, and it needs to be full of flavor, and it needs to sit in the sun for a little bit. So we're gonna do this the easy way. I'm gonna start with a jar, actually a can, of peeled mango pickle. You can also get unpeeled mango pickle. You don't want the pit, you don't want it with the pit. So just mango pickle that you get in a can, because these ones have the least amount of flavoring, so you can really adjust it. I just use this as the base. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. You get this in any Indian store. Yeah, you can see here, there's like nothing in here. It's just the peeled pickle. So you can see here that it's just bland yellow peeled mango. Really, nothing extraordinary happening there. Okay, so we're gonna dump the pickle. That's a little bit of a questionable kind of oil in there, but luckily they don't use too much, so we're not gonna bother with it. So the work is done for you. It's peeled, it's all cut and ready to go. Awesome. Now the hard work. We're gonna take kalonji, which is onion seeds, about a tablespoon. Throw that in there. We're gonna take about 2 tablespoons of crushed red peppers. Throw that in there. We're gonna take about 4 or 5 whole red peppers. Throw that in there. 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. You can get whatever kind you want, extra hot, mild, whatever. About a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, methi seeds. About a tablespoon of black mustard seeds. A tablespoon of fennel seeds, and 2 good spoons of salt. Salt is a preservative. So we're going to stir this around, blend it well, make sure you've got the nice, you can see the coloring here. Now it's got a beautiful pickle, mango pickle color. And then the most important step of all, mustard oil. We're gonna throw in a good 2 cups, maybe, 1.5 cups. You want everything well coated in mustard oil, and you need Indian mustard oil from the Indian store, where it says not for consumption. It is for consumption, trust me. Now you can smell the pickle. This is how it's supposed to smell. A little bit more. We're going to pack this into a clean jar. And the most important part is letting it sit in the sun, or whatever passes for sun, depending on the weather. Seal it off and just put it like this in the sun. and it'll be ready to eat in 3 to 4 days. Enjoy.